watched the documentary Welcome to Wrexham. 10 minutes into the first episode, my wife and I became smitten with the town, its people, and its football club. We walked through the city center and entered the cathedral where choir practice was just starting. We met a local who shared their experience growing up in Wrexham. I don't say this lightly. Observing a match at the Turf was an absolute highlight experience of our lives. We were offered drinks, and I sat next to Jonesy, who chatted with me the whole match about his love for the club. We had locals offer to be our personal tour guides and show us the sights around town. What we experienced was a town full of genuine, warm, hardworking individuals and families that have great pride in their city and football club. Wrexham has earned our support for life, and I hope we return in the future. When friends are traveling to the UK, it will be the first place I recommend they add to their itinerary.